Welcome to the introduction for the innovative new software SimTurbo, developed by Controls Research. SimTurbo provides aerospace design engineers with a Windows-based graphical user interface for architecting, simulating, and analyzing gas turbine engine systems. In this introduction, I shall design a single-spool gas turbine engine with control and demo the performance of the system. We begin by selecting various components, including the ambient conditions, inlet. Notice that all of the physics of the system are in effect hidden. We can change characteristics. We have a speed sensor here, so I'll select this as the physical speed. It's the speed sensor. And the temperature sensor. We're ready. We have our single spool gas turbine engine. We have our control system, and we begin the simulation. We start the simulation. And the simulation is running, it's counting up in time, and we have these tabs that can tell us about the performance of the system. This is the ambient tab, and it tells us right here we're tracking. I have altitude simulation here, and we're tracking the altitude and the rest, and also how the ambient pressure and temperature are varying with altitude. The inlet conditions, the compressor, and we're tracking the performance with this black dot of the compressor. Yeah, the compressor map in both tabular as well as graphical form. We have various parameters such as the temperatures, pressures, efficiency, pressure ratio. Combustor, plotting the combustor parameters in time. The turbine maps and its performance. Thank you for your time, and below here is my contact information, email, and phone number if you desire more information and or would like to purchase. Thank you.